Hey guys, this is the diff going into Project Leftovers. It's a 278 Salisbury diff, a single spinner. Yeah, it's just another one that I have lying around. I'm able to use it because it's just there, and plus if it's lying around and then it's under the car, it's not going to be in the road anymore, is it? It's going to be used. Recycling at its best. Well folks, we're just giving it a bit of a pressure wash, a clean. Looks pretty good for just a quick job. Gave the diff a quick pressure clean and paint job. Didn't come up too bad from previous video. I did have to pull the center out of it and give it a clean because it was really grotty from sitting around for like probably 30 years on the ground. I kept all the shims and spaces where they need to be. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be pulling the diff out of this thing and getting ready to put the other one in. I've got to undo like 2 bolts at the top, control arms, the 2 lower ones. I've got to take the brakes off this. I'm actually just going to separate the lines and do it that way. Then I'm going to undo the shocks. And then the whole lot should just drop out. But I will drain the oil out of it first. Yeah, so far I've got one axle out. And I'm just about to drain the oil out of the actual diff center. There's not on my luck, it'll end up leaking oil everywhere. Surprisingly, the oil is really clean that's coming out of it, which is a good sign for the car, really. Yeah, onto the other axle next, and talk to you in a minute. One axle back in, all lubed up. Well folks, I've basically got the diff in now, covered in grease and mud and feel like crap. Yeah, so basically the diff's in, springs are in, shocks are on. I've got to buy a new rear gasket for the backing plate, obviously for the housing, and yeah, just basically do maintenance and make it all together. So now I can basically just make it a roller again if I want to. It's in there. Not sure how long this diff will last with this combo, but it'll do for now, and it's just shit that I've had lying around. Well folks, it's actually pissing down rain today. I think it might be a good time to actually try and get some work done on this pile. I might actually do some work on the brakes today. I might replace new wheel cylinders. There's my new GoPro. I'm pretty happy with it. Still trying to work out how to use it too. As you can tell, I've got an attention span of a squirrel. Back to the brakes. Got new wheel cylinders for it. They're in here somewhere. I think I paid shit, I don't know, like 20 bucks for them. Something like that. Pretty cheap. Can't really knock that. Look at all that sort of parts. Okay, first part of this little sideshow is to undo those little screws, little clips on each side. And you've got to back off the little arm there. Unclip all, shit, a bit high. Unclip all that stuff, and should be able to get to that. I'm kind of going to try and sneak my way in there, and hopefully I can just pull part of it out, but I don't think I'll be able to. I think I'll probably just have to pull it all apart, but I am going to try and cheat it. Okay, what I ended up doing was I ended up taking off the 2 springs off either side, and that basically made it so I can just drop this down with ease. So you'll see it in a sec. Easy as that. I got it now undone. It's all sitting down there. Just got to get in there now, and can't really see because it's not focusing, but you're going to undo those couple of bolts in there. I think there's about 3/8 or 7/16 or something. Alright, all the bolts are undone. I just got to pry this out now. So you know what? I've got to completely undo the yeah. Alright, here's the meaning again about project leftovers. This is a brand new wheel cylinder that I had lying around. It's probably been lying around for about 8 years or so, and I just thought, screw it, I'll just use it anyway, because I've got another brand new one for the other side, as you've seen in the previous video. Basically I'm just going to use this one because it's there, and when I do the wagon I'm buying one more new one. That way I'm still putting 2 new ones in the wagon as well. So really that way I keep sort of true to my name of project leftovers. It saves, I don't know, $8, $10. Alright, the wheel cylinders are in. They're in. They're in. They're in. I've still got to put those in. That's all in. That oil that's there is all from the old wheel cylinder. I'll give it a good brake clean out in a minute. But yeah, I've just got like a little bit to go. Right, this is the beginning of the driver's side, and in the next clip you'll see the finish of it. And done. Look at that. Just give it a good brake clean and she's freaking done. Here we go. Here's the part number for the brake pads. Not brake pads, fucking wheel cylinders. Take note, OP10046. Not really a instructional video, but I got the brakes all done. All I've got to really do now is just adjust the brakes, clean out the brake drums, and bleed the brakes. So yeah.